In my mind, there's a golden rule when going up a mountain. Aim not to start harder than you can finish. And I've gotten it so wrong.
What makes the difference is that you also understand, the environment it has to be used in. We've seen a lot of those products coming out for different types of environment, and that has always been really successful.
Right now we're still on top of one of the most iconic and picturesque climbs in all of cycling, the Col de Tourmalet. Steph, who's behind the camera, and I have come up with a little plan.
Right, we're going to go. It's nearly 6 o'clock.
A lot harder than I remember. It was good, right?
No, to be honest, with the passion we have, everything is nice, because it's our life.
You have one of the hardest stages ahead of you.
Thank you again for your support.
Everyone was claiming they had the best oil grease, but no one could actually prove it. And that was one of the things I said to Muc-Off or Alex back then, was that we need facts. Muc-Off invested a lot of money in all the testing equipment, and that was really the start of that.
How is your day at the Tour de France?
Pretty cool.
It's got 400 meters. It's got the yellow jersey. Ben Healy's in the yellow jersey.
Ben Healy just got the yellow jersey, so Muc-Off is in yellow tonight, not in pink. That was Thomas Lemoyne at the Tour de France. See you next year. Boom.